Suntech 2020 new version high-speed mask machine. Fabric tension controlling system gives constant tension. Don't need to adjust the machine repeatedly as per the roll diameter changing. Twice cold pressing processing for air loop folding. Don't need to rearrange the air loop manually before packing. Visual inspection. Check the size of mask body, air loop, nose bar. Check the position of air loop and nose bar. Check nose bar embedded and air loop breakage. Camera, pay attention to the whole process instead of human, without omission. Online packing 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 50 pieces per bag. UV sterilization, disinfection in one step.